Hello there, this is Mike Earn. You're welcome to the weekly Forex market forecast and update. So in this video, we're going to be looking at the EURUSD, the GBPUSD, the USDCHF, and the USDJPY currency pairs. But first, before I go into the business of the day, I'm offering free signals, free Forex signals on the Mike Earn channel. You can get the link to that channel in the description, copy the link, paste it in your browser, and use the link to join the channel. You get highly profitable trading signals, and they are free. Yes, they are free. You get them, and you'll be glad that you joined. And also, you can do business with me if you would like to subscribe to my account management service. You can reach out to me. My contact will be in the description below. So let's go into the business of the day. Now, first, we're looking at the EURUSD. Now, with EURUSD, what do we see? Let's take a look at the weekly first. The weekly time frame, we can see okay, let's take a look at the monthly first. Hopefully it's going to load quickly. Yeah, so we can see the monthly time frame. We see that price has been falling for some time, and then we have this range right here, and we see that drop and another push higher. This looks like the market wants to continue higher for now, but let's look at the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame also is saying the same thing. It looks like the market is about to continue higher, but is it coming to this pin bar right here? Did I say pin bar? I mean trend line rather. Is it coming to this trend line right here and going to continue downwards? Well, I can't say for now. We just have to keep our fingers crossed. So now let's go to the daily time frame, and we'll be using the daily time frame as our execution time frame. The daily time frame will be our execution time frame. So what should we expect going into the new week? Well, this is what I would expect. If I see price okay, what's happening? Okay, I think that's fine. If I see price come into this zone, if I see price push higher and come into this 1.09139 zone, and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I would suggest that you go for a sell. Go for a one-to-one sell. Why am I saying one-to-one sell? Well, typically I would say you can go for more than a one-to-one, but this currently we're looking at a situation that looks like a reversal pattern. Looks like price wants to push higher, right? It's still a downtrend, but with the way it's looking, it might actually be reversing. Don't forget, this is a speculative market, so you just have to protect yourself. So you go for a one-to-one, take your profit and let it go, and leave the market. That is if price comes into that's if price comes into that's if price meets that is if it meets your confirmation. If price coming into the zone and closing bearish, if it meets your confirmation, you can take it. But if it doesn't meet your confirmation, don't bother about it. But if price comes lower and maybe gives us some days, gives us some bearish moves, in fact, I wouldn't be targeting this zone. I'll be looking more for these zones right here, because I would like to see a good extended move. So if price comes into either of the 1.05181 or the 1.04666 zones, and it gives us a bullish day close at any of those zones, if price gives us a bullish day close at any of those zones, I would suggest that you go for a buy. Are you with me? Go for a buy and go for a one-to-one. Go for a one-to-one buy and you'll be good. Just that is if it meets your confirmation. Don't forget that. That's a very important part of this analysis. Only take any trade if it meets your confirmation. So let's go to the GBPUSD currency pair. Now for GBPUSD, let's take a look at the monthly time frame. What is it telling us? I hope it has loaded. So let's go to the monthly first. Let's see. I don't think it has loaded. I don't think it has loaded. It's just loading right now. So let's go to, okay, yeah, it has loaded now. So we see that price push lower here, and then we see this bullish move, and then this drop, and we see as though price wants to continue higher. We've seen in recent times price making higher highs, right? I can call this a higher high. I hope you can see my cursor. I see price push high, come this low into this zone that I highlighted here, and then we've seen price push higher again, come this low again. So I think price, we've seen that, you know, price trying to make higher highs on GU. So what do we expect? This is also the weekly time frame. Let's go down to the daily. The weekly time frame is saying the same thing the monthly saying. So let's go down to the daily, and this will be my expectation. If I see price, if you see price come into this 1.30061 and it gives you a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell. If it gives you a bearish day close below that zone, go for a sell, go for a 1-to-1 and end it there if it meets your confirmation. But if you get something like, if price comes low and comes into either of the 1.27308 or the 1.26772 zones, that is if there's a lot of price action. Don't just get involved if you just see one candle that just drops, one big candle. Don't do that. You need a couple of days of price action before price comes into the zone, then, or this zone, then you can get involved. That's what I would suggest. So, but if we see that and then price gives us a bullish day close at either of those zones, then you can go for a buy. You can go for a buy right there. Don't overstay your welcome. Just do a 1-to-1 and be good. Don't forget, that's only if it meets your confirmation. If it meets your confirmation. If price also comes as low as this area, if price comes as low as this zone, it's still the same idea. If price comes here, gives us a bullish day close, you want to go for a buy. So that's just the same idea right there. So let's go to the USDCHF currency pair. Now for USDCHF, it's been in a range, and we predicted this that price will come into the zone and give us a drop and sell off from there, most likely sell off from there, and we saw just that. So now for the weekly, for this week's analysis, what should we be expecting? Since market is currently in a range, so now let's go to the daily time frame. Now for the daily, this is what I would suggest. If price comes into either of these zones, if price comes into either of the 0.87647 or the 0.86983 zones, and it gives us a bullish day close above either of those zones, if price gives us a bullish day close above either of those zones, then I suggest you go for a buy. Go for a 1-to-1. Go for a buy, go for a 1-to-1 buy opportunity right there. If price comes into either of these zones, it gives us a bullish day close at either of those zones, then you can go for a 1-to-1 buy right there. But if you see price come into this zone, if price pushes higher and comes into the 0.90303 zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a sell. Go for a 1-to-1 sell. Go for a 1-to-1 in both cases, because this is a ranging market as we speak. This is a ranging market. Go for 1-to-1 in both cases. Now for the USDJPY currency pair, USDJPY. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. It's a bullish market, but in recent times we've seen it stall a little. It's not been pushing higher and higher like it did in previous times. We've seen markets stall a little, or we've seen price stall a little around this zone. So let's go to the daily time frame. What should we expect from the daily time frame? Well, we still have to keep in mind that it's still a bullish market, so we do not become a victim of anything here. So now we have a pin bar that formed on Friday, right? So this might be a good opportunity to get involved in a buy. That is depending on how the market opens. If the market opens and then it gives us a little reversal, yeah, and we can tell that the reversal is weak, then we can possibly hope for a continuation to the upside. So that's one thing I would suggest. But if price continues downwards and doesn't give us the proper push higher, if price comes into this 146.484 zone and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then you can go for a buy. If price also comes as low as the 144.818 zone, you can also go for a buy. If it gives us a bullish day close. Just go for a 1-to-1 in both cases. Go for a 1-to-1, or you can go for more than a 1-to-1. You can go for a 2-to-1 or buy into this range, or into this zone rather. Well, whichever way you want to go at it, because you have to remember that this is a bullish market, so you don't want to overstay your welcome, and you also might want to maximize the opportunity you have to buy the market. So if price also comes into this zone, this 156.298 zone, and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then I would suggest that you go for a sell. Go for a sell at that point. Go for a 1-to-1. This is a bullish market. You don't want to overstay your welcome. Just do 1-to-1 and you'll be good. 1-to-1 and you'll be good. So that's only if it meets your confirmation. Don't forget, any signal or any analysis I've made here, you should only take them if they meet your confirmation, right? If they meet your confirmation. So that's that for the market forecast and update. So yes, don't forget, if you like to get free signals, I'm talking high quality trading signals that will really take your trading to the highest level, highly profitable trading signals, you can join the Mike Earn channel. The Mike Earn channel is available to you, or is available for you for free, totally for free. So just go to the link in the description below, copy the link, paste it in your browser, and use the link to join the channel, and you get highly profitable trading signals. Highly profitable trading signals. That's just the truth. It would really take your trading to the highest level of profitability. You can count on that. So also, don't forget, if you would like to do business with me, if you like me to manage your trading account, you can contact me in the description below. My direct Telegram contact is in the description below. Contact me and let's talk. You get highly profitable, you get your trading account will be managed profitably, and you would make a lot of money. Yeah, so I do not take commissions except I make profit. So definitely my own commission and my own profit from your business or from doing business with you is only when I make money. So definitely all my efforts will go into making sure that it is profitable and highly profitable because the more profit I make, the more profit for you and the more profit for me as well. So let's talk and let's do business together. You will be glad that um you'll be glad that you did business with me if you choose to, because I make sure that all my trading signals, all the trades I take, are derived from highly profitable trading systems. They are derived from systems that are trusted and that work well, that have been proven for years. So you do not want to miss out on this. For sure, you do not want to miss out on this. So reach out to me and let's talk. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to share this with anyone who needs this. Bye bye.